how a relationship becomes very easily. We all are driven by a certain type of behavior and certain type of thinking, which is poisoning, which is actually killing the loving and beautiful relationship we have had. So, what are those poisons? We are going to talk about them much deeper and more in details in the tantric relationship workshop, which is happening this October. Just to give you a taste. So it's a possessiveness, it's attachment, it's a jealousy, expectations, taking from for granted, and more. What's happening when we are starting behaving that way and thinking that way is that all the magic, all the love, all the happiness is just slowly disappearing because there is no space for it. Instead of there is anger, disappointment, frustration, right? I bet that it happened to you. Maybe not in this relationship, maybe not now, maybe it happened in the past. We all are experiencing that. When we are meeting and dating someone for the first time, we are showing our best. We are acting. We are actually not ourselves. When we are seeing that the person is getting more and more to be ours, so this possessiveness, this attachment, this jealousy is coming on the place, and because you feel like it's for granted, he or she is mine right now, what's happening, you just show it, you just tell it, you give this kind of conditions and so on. And this is not good and not nice, right? Do you agree with me? So wouldn't it be nice to experience the loving relationship and get rid of these poisons which are killing and poisoning the happiness of the home, the beautiful and secure place for your kids? I would like to give you some homework right now. So take a moment or meditate upon and ask a question. How much do you take your person for granted? How much does your partner take you for granted? And also how much possessive and attached you are to a person. And now I know you can say, but attachment is a good thing. Well, I would like to explain to you more and show you that it's not. And we are going to do that in our relationship workshop. So you are very welcome. I want you to be there because as I see, just look around. Every second couple in America is divorcing. It's crazy because of small fights, right? Because of that, we are starting fighting for small things. Why would we do that? The people don't do that. Jump with us for the relationship workshop, learn and understand the way how we should behave, how we should act, and save your relationship, make it better. Surprise your partner, your kids, make a great place to grow up, the feeling of love and security. Give your kids the best example. See you in the workshop.